What's going on? Today you're going to join me in doing a quick wash on my car. I have a couple things that I particularly use every time that I just do a quick wash. So I wanted to show you that really quick here, and then we'll get the car pulled out and we'll get to work. So first thing I wanted to show you here is the my foam sprayer here. I use in particular Griot's Garage foam products and their foam sprayer. It works really good. The surface wash is what we'll be using today. Since my car is coated, we don't want to use anything that'll strip anything off. And then we got my handy dandy pressure washer. So let's get this thing pulled out and let's get to work. Alright, so what I've done, I fully rinsed the entire car off, hooked up my foam cannon, and then doused the entire car with foam. And what we're going to do next is we're going to wait 5 minutes or so to let this really soak in and pull off any contaminants that are on the car. Normally, you don't want to let this sit too long if it's right in the direct sunlight, because it'll dry up and cause, you know, spots on your paint and everything, and we don't want that. So I'm gonna go ahead and give it a few minutes here, and we're going to then get this thing rinsed off. So stick around. All right, so once we have that all rinsed off, we're going to use a Griot's 3-in-1 ceramic speed shine to just give the ceramic coat that's on it a little bit of boost. This is just kind of a quick wash. Normally there'd be a lot more steps to this depending on how dirty your car is. You probably want to go with like a 2-bucket method with a rinsement and actually do a contact wash. So currently we're just doing a contactless wash. So I'm going to go ahead and get to it. I'm going to get this sprayed all over the car here. Again, with this, don't do it in direct sunlight. Only do, a couple panels at a time if you don't have a shaded area. But yeah, I'm going to go ahead and, since we don't have sun directly on it, I'm going to go ahead and spray the whole car, and we'll get it rinsed off and see what our results look like. Alright, so the last thing that we're going to do, we're going to go ahead and get the car dried. You want to make sure that you have a nice high quality drying towel, and you keep it clean regularly, free of contaminants, so you don't end up scratching your paint when you're drying your car. So let's go ahead and go over the drying process and take a look and see what we got. Alright, so once you have it all dried on the outside, make sure you open up all the doors, the trunk, the hood, get all of the water dried from inside as much as you can, and you're pretty much done. And that's it. That's my basic maintenance wash that I do when I'm just jamming around killing bugs. And if your car is a little bit more dirty, you probably got to go through a little bit more rigorous of a process to get it clean. Thanks for watching, guys, and if you have any questions, just drop me a comment, drop me a like. It helps in the algorithm on the video, and we'll see you next time.